Hello everyone, just a quick unboxing video here today of the Meta smart glasses. So we started off with the outer case, then the inner case, which came a little bit broken, but it hasn't affected my glasses. So this is the case that the glasses sit in that will charge the glasses back up. You will tend to get around about 4 hours of use. But if you continuously use it, it's more like an hour and a half to 2 hours. I have gone with the simple black frame with the red on the side and the clear lenses, so it just looks like I'm wearing normal see-through sunglasses, or you could use these just as normal glasses. You can get prescriptions in them, which you can find in the information box. Also comes with cleaning rag and all the information to get started and the warranty. So thank you.